second language. One day a mama mouse said to the little baby, "Don't leave this nest. It's a mean world out there with all kind of monsters just waiting to eat you up." So day after day she would tell the babies this, and then she would go out into the world and work to bring back things for the nest. But as those babies grew old and got bolder, one day when the mama was gone, they left the nest. But you know what? Mommy was right. There was a monster out there. The monster had some long, straggly teeth, some real sharp claws, and he made a mean, horrible, frightening sound and went something like, and that monster ran those little babies up into a corner, and he was licking his lips and rubbing his paws because he knew he was about to have some mice for lunch. But that's when the mummy got back. She saw that monster about to eat her babies. She dropped the thing she had in her hand, ran up behind it, and this is what she said. "Roof! Roof! 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 Roof!" And that monster ran off. When she got the babies into the nest, the baby said, "Mommy, Mommy, what happened? What happened, Mommy?" And she said, "Children, you see, it never hurts to know a second language."